ke janmit. Para shwa bangin pai ki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pet shwa ki mat bakongsan. Sedang ke dorbar Mang Tingka Bashiposngi jong ke ying dorbar Tauan ke Jelan. Beli ulat UCH Vijaya Shankar ya ke dorbar What Happening ke Jingbam Klan Kamen. Kentho umukul sangma halor ke Jingbam la lep ha ke NPP ha ke election KHADC. Kentho Kinong yalam kaliang persya ia ke sorkar ha ka baidei bat ke jingkit ram bat ke jingbam la ban kunai ia ke pisa. Syajid ubak strong pelak harjanai na ka seng BPP kum ucaman ke KHADC klaim kanu ke jingyeng persya. Bat Syajid biang u Dr. Samki Syampung kum ucaman ke JHADC. Kikubor kibabnya. Ka dorbar Bang Tingka Bashiposngi jong ka yeng dorbar Tauan ke jilla kelasdang menta. Ha ka balambang laisngi banyetrei halor ki jing jong ki jong nong mikmat ba per bat nyosngi pat halor ki kam baidei bat ke sorkar. U Menteri Rangba ke jilla un sawanra ya ka Mang Tingka ha ka santarik ulber arhajar arpusan bat ke dorbar kan kut hak hadlai tarik ulber arhajar arpusan. Ulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ula play ya ke dorbar da ka ba ai jingkren syakit khot ke yeng watla ula hap banwan da ka wheelchair na ka daw ba umdan hapadeng ka met ka ba koit ka bakhia. Ha ka jingkren ke jong ulat ula penpau halor ke jingpin pinbha ye kitanat ba pher kum ye ki surok ki boarding bat ki kam jungok kai perthai bat ru halor ki senjam ba ka sarkar kala shim kum ka CM connect bat ka hello Meghalaya da ka jingtmu ban kintiu ya ki riti ki dustur bat ban pintikna ba ka rukam sinshar kan long ka ba janai ka dorbar babut kan long ha ka lai tarek ulber arhajar arpusan.
It gives me immense pleasure and privilege for this service source. For the first time on its first sitting for the year 2025. On this occasion, I extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to you all as we continue our ambitious journey to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy by 2025.
U Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalong unong yalam kaliang persya ula penrem jur ya ka jingbam la trekam jong kaseng NPP ha ke election KHADC watla kadang don ha kabor. Ula kentu ya kaseng ba shimti thamai ya ula kam sinshar ban don ka jingjan bat ki pat ba bat ru ban wanra ya ka jingkala ha ka kam san hima sima. U Dr. Mukul ulap keno ru ba ka sorkar ka klemla ban trei na ka benta ban ple yaki lat aikam aijam yaki samla ka bala penlong pat yaki ban jit no ya ka seng VPP. Ulap penremjur ya ka sorkar ba ka klem shim kia ban thongkam thongjam watla ki babun ki tanat sorkar ki don ki kam ki bathili.
And analyze the outcome of the election, you will see that majority of the votes which gravitated towards VPP are the youth. Lack of employment. When I say lack of employment, it is a challenge for every government. For successive government, it will always remain as a challenge, creating job opportunities, providing spaces for employment for all the aspiring job seekers. But what is important is the government of the day doesn't even bother to fill up the vacancies.
U nongelam nakaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula penrem ya ka sorkar jella halor ke jingnang kiu jong karam katkum ka kaipot jong ka CAG house nem baladam. U Dr. Mukul ula ong ba ki babon ki tenat ka sorkar kila penlut put ya ka pisa ka ba klem lamang lani palat ya ka balamang ban pentrikam ka balong ka dak jong ka jingma. Ulaya ro halor ke jingnang kiu jong ke jela hakini ki khatsan snem baladap wat la kalamat ya ki babun ki jing Henry ula ong baka sorkar ka daiban perkhat sani ha halor ki jinglut jingsep ban chu shimbet da karam.
Overall, the growth of the state in the preceding last almost 10 plus years, almost close to 15 years. You have seen, the steady increase in growth, and we have been able to sustain. Now, when you plant a tree, the most difficult time is to ensure its germination and upbringing of the plant. Once the plant bears a fruit, then you should only take care of the plant. You should just ensure that the manures, fertilizers are replenished so that the plant doesn't end up producing less.
Unong yalam kaseng VPP uba aden mele besayamot ula penrem jur halor ke jingkam jong kaseng NPP ba ke vote bank jong kaseng NPP kala nangkeu ha ke election MDC jong ke KHADC kat ba ke vote bank jong ke VPP kala nangher habaya nujor ba ke election MP. Uba aden ula ong ba kaseng VPP kala yo ia ke jingkersan ke babuntam ha KHADC ha ke ba kala poi syaka lai punyau na ke shispa. Habay nujor bakaseng NPP kabalayo tang arpusan na kasispa. Ula benrap ru baha JHADC kaseng VPP kaladuna tang iway na kasispa ya kaseng NPP ha kaba ka VPP kayo life way na kasispa kat ba ka NPP pat kayo life ar na kasispa. Uba arden ulakam bakaseng VPP kadai banyo khambun shu ki vote ha JHADC lada day ba ki nong tap vote ki yo tap lat lud. Ula penrem ya kibor badai kmi halor ka jingbam la jengki ban penbiang ya kilat pahara watla kaladon kadak bakila ban mi ki jingkul mar hakikat tu kat nitli ki jaka tap vote.
The data speaks it clear that we are still very much ahead. We have the highest number of vote share in Khasi region, where our vote share is 37% and NPP is 25%. That means we are 12% ahead of NPP. And in Giant Hills, NPP is having the highest vote share with just 1% more than us. They are having 32 and we are having 31 vote share. So comparing the vote share of the regional party, BPP has secured the highest vote share even in this election.
Unong yalam jong kaseng VPP uba aden mele besai moit menta kesngi ulo ong ba kaseng kan sekeren halor ki kam bau MLA kan not shalong uba Adelbert ula le ban pinthok bria ya kaseng ulo ong ba kani ke jingle ke jong u om tang iki nong yalam Henry wat iki pat baru kila shim ba ka daybet ke jing pinthok bria ya kaseng kumban chukdo ba kaseng VPP dangshen kala penrem jur ya MLA ka not shillong uba Adelbert nongrom bat ya kan hon jong u hadin bakala mi ka jingya karan jongki lengba ki durki ka bala sapriang stat ka ba penpau ba ki rukam trikam hapok kaseng kilong ki bambiang.
But this has been viewed by the people itself, as an anti-party activities where the party will take a call.
You can tell us about your strategy.
What kind of action do we?
You see, I would like to save something for the leader in the KHDC to spell out.
No, about your campaign about.
Hadin ka jingbam la trikam ha ki election MDC ke badang shudap kaseng United Democratic Party mentah kalarai ban ya aireng ha ki election GHADC ke ban salong ha usnem ban wan. Unong yalam kaseng ubalong ru MDC uba titos wel khan hinin kasngi ulaya thu hakilat pathai khubor ba kaseng kasngokhia halor ka jingher jongki vote ha ki election MDC nakadaw jong ka jingkershan joki patba ya kaseng VPP habakali halor ka jingjob jong kaseng tang santli ki shuki uba khan uloong bakam da don than ka jingye pher namar ha ka MDC bala dab ru kaseng ka job tang nyau tli ki shuki ula benrap ru da ka boong bamenta kaseng kan satre shitom na ka benta ke election MLA house name arhajar arpupra.
That too I agree. I've seen the vote share has gone down because of the wave from the DPP. But we will try to strengthen the party in Garo Hills also because election of MDC will be held in next year, 2026. So we'll focus on Garo Hills also, how to strengthen the party in Garo Hills.
Hadin ka jingbut din na ki khubor sentiat ki pulit ka ribhoy hinin gamit kila yokem ya ki nong khayi drok na ka shnong mautunum kabadon ha ka National Highway 6 jong ka ribhoy district. Habakren sikilat pathai kubor u Superintendent of Police u VS Rathor ula ong balayo aban kem yakite kibreo hadin ka jing penlong ya ka jing twet naki kubor sintiat balayo lum da katanat. Hagani ka jing twet ki pulit kila yo ban kurup lai pun reu pon line gram udrok basyong dor ship haulak tingka bat ka mobile phone nakini kibreo. Ya kini kinong khayi la pengat ha ka jing pensitom kat kum ka an ban on satian bishar yaki syayeng ka syari district court.
Accordingly, we did our investigation and then placed an ACA on NH6 just ahead of Nagpur town, and we found this suspect traveling in a tourist taxi, and in presence of witnesses all the procedures were completed and we recovered approximately 36 grams suspected heroin, and one mobile phone was also seized from him, and after completing all the formalities on the spot, we have registered a case. We have formally arrested him, and he'll be produced in the court today, and the investigation is going on. Some more arrests are likely within next few days.
Uba strong pelak harjana unlong kum MDC ban ningkong do jong kaseng VPP uba mikmat na maukar pinthor umkra ban sya pensmai kum chairman bathamai ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Ya uba harjana la penshimsmai da ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ikong Rosetta M Kurba minta kasngi u Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba share bor lang renja bor uba Titos Wel Khan kilai wan lang ban senran ya uba harjana hakapor bo shimsmai uba renja ula ai khuble ya uba harjana ban penpau ya ka jingkermen ba on sala ban bot bat penyai renti ya ki an ki kendon hapo ka yeng katban nakaliang uba khan ula kentu jur ya uba harjana bo on nom ya sya shiliang ya baro ki khot laki dei nakaliang senshar lani nakaliang persya u Dr. Sanki Shangpung ubadai u MDC jong ka batau lakadong constituency jong ka seng NPP ula syajit biang kum u chairman jong ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ha ka jingjit ka balalong menta ka sngi hapo ka jingpenya jong u Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills u AK Singh u Dr. Shangpung ula penrem no ya u MDC na ka seng Congress u Rikut Paren u bala mikmat na ka Saphai sa sniang constituency da ka wayo arfo wood. Katba uba paren uyo tang henriu vote. Nalor kini layo i balai ngut ki MDC kila tap ya unota. Ya kani ke election jet chairman da baro ki MDC la penlong da ka ballot paper. Kumban chukdo ki khot ka JHADC ki kintup ya khat sangut ki MDC na NPP, prangut na kaseng VPP, lai ngut na kaseng Congress, but way u MDC shiman. U MDC jong ka UDP na sora uba Titos Wel Khan ula ong bakaseng ka yeng marway watla kaseng NPP haringkat bat ki arngut ki MDC shimat bat way u MDC HSPDP kiles nok dilang bantau ya ka kenhon. Hawai kren bat kinong thok khubor hadin balas pinsmai kum u MDC ula ong bakaseng kan saya merging mut bat ki way pat ki MDC nakaliang persya ban ya trailang bat ki liang persya. Kat kum kajing ong jong ubak khan ya kajing jit ya no banlong kum unong yalam nakaliang persya on sarai do chairman bathamai
kadon be intak la kajong namar ba nakaliang jong ki NPP bat kiwe ke MDC menen kila ya kedu kila ya form la kajong ka group tenre yamantai ke padon kanon kajing ya keren tenre le se yo kadon kajing ya keren hadin habut ya kata ngam patang ong tenre yamantai ke kum ki UDP ngidang don intak haju
kalong kami ke Southwest nem kerta kala syak penyap ha upara bayatrilang ha Trattoria restaurant hajan ke Barik Point lalap ya kemet yap jong kani kalong kami hinne ke step hajan ke Meghalaya Rural Bank persya ya ke office jong ke PWD ha Barik Katkum ke kaipot ya kani ke jingja la pentip da way upara bayatrilang bat haba ki pulit kila khot ya u ban kili jingkili ula pla ula le ya kani ke kam USP jongka East Khasi Hills Vivek M ula pentip ba ki pulit kila shim ye ki senjam ki bedon kam halor kate ke jing token Ubak siem ulo ong bagi pulit kiladon ya ki sakhi ki babiang persya ya utai unong le kam sniu. Kat kum ke khubor lo ong bagi ni ki arngut kila ya kaja bat utai ubre ulat tiet ya ka de unar hadu bakan dayap. Ketulong telong khubor na ki pulit ke ya thu bakan ni ke jingja kala ja hakapor lai baje ai hinne ka step perngam.
A lot of processes are still taking place. FSL, CSU are all here. A woman has been suspected to be murdered, and we have already zeroed on the culprit. We've taken all the steps required in investigation, and some more steps need to be completed, like inquest and all that. But I can see now that we've actually zeroed down on the culprit, and there's enough evidence.
Mentapat ngenyepet ya kejinglong jengman kesun meneng hatura. Ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius bat ka jing shed kalong 4 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong san punyo na ka shispa. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong pra point kandai degree Celsius bat ka jing shed kalong 4 kandai point kandai degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong san pu kandai na ka shispa. Kat baha jawai pat ka jing kriat kalong pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shed kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong 100% na ka shispa. Ka sun menengkan rang hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka hatura jawai bat shilong. Kabukut jong katup kubor ngene pet biang sa sisian ya kimat bekongsan. Sedang ke dorbar Mang Tingka Baship Hosni jong ke ying dorbar Tauan ke Jela ple ulat UCH Vijaya Shankar ya ke dorbar Wat Hapedeng ke Jingbam Klan Kemen. Kentho umukul sama halor ke Jingbam la lep ha ke NPP ha ke election KHADC. Kentho kinong yalam kaliang persya ia ke sorkar ha ke baidai bat ke jingkit ram bat ke jingbam la ban kunai ia ke pisa. Syajid ubak strong pelak harjana na kaseng VPP kum uchairman ke KHADC klaim kano ke jingyeng persya. Bat Syajid biang u Dr. Sanki Shangpung kum chairman ka JHADC. Ti paralok atung ila poi syaka bukut jong katup kubor jongi mentah ka janmit hadu bangin daya syem biang bat pila syai kasngi kublei pi baro.
triangular development